Welcome to Hastings Honda's online store motorcycle parts finder tool. Firstly, the store's browsing menu can be found to the left if you want to shop for apparel and gear. The parts finder tool can be found at the top of the page. Start by searching the year, make, and model of your bike. Then, click search and give it a few seconds to filter through the tens of thousands of fitments to determine the correct ones for your bike. You can filter different years with these buttons and expand all the tabs by clicking here. Next, browse the parts available for your bike and find what you're after. Click Add to Cart to learn more about the part. You can read about the part you have selected and its features, and then choose what variant you want if there are different options available. Then add it to your cart. You can check out now on the tab or via the shopping trolley in the top right corner. We know you want more parts though, so let's click back and go looking for more parts. Once again, look for what you need. Or want, of course. Like the first time, add the product to cart. Want more than one? Increase the quantity, add to cart, then let's start checking out. Here is your shopping cart. You can check what you have, edit quantities, remove product and leave a note. Once all is correct, click checkout. Here we need a couple of basic details like name, contact and delivery addresses. You can see what you are buying and also enter a discount code if you have one. Click continue to shipping. Here select if you are picking up from the store or if you want free delivery on your order if it's over $99. If it's under, there will be a small shipping fee. Check your order, change details at the top here if need be and continue to payment. Enter your payment details. Click pay now. We will take care of the rest. It's as easy as that.